Just got back from the drift event last night. It was an amazing event. If you haven't already seen the video, go check it out. I didn't have too many clips because GoPro battery and it's dying, and then my storage and whatnot, but I'll put together a little something, so go check it out. Yeah, awesome event. Had a lot of fun. Today we're unpacking the truck. Got back last night and didn't feel like unpacking. I was tired as hell, so doing that today. Gonna unload the truck. Just got the car off the trailer, so did that all by myself. It was a pain in the ass, you know, but we got a lot of damages to assess on the old car here. It's I did some pretty decent damage. Like hitting everything, just some bunch of scuff marks and some rub throughs, and you know, kit's kind of sagging down, and what cracked my fender. Pretty decent sized crack, about like 4 inches, but we'll take care of that today. I have some fiberglass repair kits. My proper mounting hardware, my zip ties came off, but whatever. I'm gonna do everything with nuts and bolts here soon, do it right, but I just had to throw everything on really quickly for the event. So just to, you know, kind of get it all together, make it look half decent. But well, I thought I fixed my exhaust leak not too long ago, but there's a stud that's broken off from the manifold. Oh, and another great thing that we gotta touch up today. Not too bad though. My damn test pipe, look at it. I guess the flange, I don't know if I like smacked the like a low part on the track or what, but you know, blew out 2 flanges, nuts and bolts flew off with it. God damn. Spend some more money, buy some gaskets and hardware and yada yada yada. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get to fixing. All right, just got the fender pulled off. Guess I should have washed it first. This shit is dirty under here. God damn. But I'm gonna do a quick wash on the fender and we'll get right to the repair. Let's get it. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for it to dry, I'm also gonna be replacing my steering rack bushings today because they are spent. I'll show you in a minute, but first let's clean this, all the rubber and stuff up, because there was like a pound of rubber that just dropped out of the fender, you know, so I didn't go through and clean the car actually before I worked on it, and so, all right, let's get it. Oh, see if you can see it. Oh my God, look how bad those bushings are. It's all torn, it's ripped off completely. Jesus, let me see if I can get some. I don't know if you can really see that, but my whole entire rack is just moving. Oh my, that's crazy. I don't know how I've completely negated it for so long. I saw that they were torn before the last event when I was doing like an alignment and all that, and they've been crusty for a while, but I was just like, it'll be all right, you know. But I had some extra bushings laying around, and I definitely felt a lot of binding at the last event, so change it out. These are probably OEM also, so that's a huge plus. Oh my god. Wow. This thing is like gelatin, and it's so dry rotted. Replace your rack bushings, guys. Go check them out. Wow. I think it had another few events on it, maybe a few years, to be honest. They're pretty solid. So these aren't exactly the bushings that I want to run, but they came with the car like a few years ago when I had them, when I got it. So I'm just gonna throw these in. These are energy suspension bushings. I mean, obviously, I think they're really cheap too, but like I said, I didn't buy these, and you know, anything right now is a lot better than this. So whatever, let's fucking throw them in, huh? Started. Nice. Finally got that other bushing in. It was a pain in the ass, but so I guess that I've never done these before, but I guess the trick was to I loosened up the other side like completely, and then I just lubricated it with like WD-40, and then it fucking slipped right in. So got those bolted up, ready to go, and yeah, look at this bushing, or both of these bushings. This was what was left out of both of them. This was the one side where it just all came out in pieces, and then the other one. So that's solid. This was just a spare one that came for Z32 in the whole kit. But the fender should be all dried up and ready to go now. So let's get that in here and see about repairing it. Alright, so this patch kit comes with the epoxy, the fiberglass, and the patch kit. This is a AF300. This is a kit that we get from work, so. Not really. So also, this is, if you were wondering, these are rib nuts. This is what I use. Center it. This is what I use to fit my body kit, and I was actually able to get a rib nut onto fiberglass, which I was super careful with because I thought that it would mess it up, but it didn't. So I use that to mount, you know, like my side skirt onto my fender in here, so you can make it very clean. You can just unbolt this right whenever you want instead of using like self tappers or anything. I used it also to attach my over fenders, which, you know, these I don't really like these fasteners. I got these because I was like, oh, they might look good, but they just poke out way too much. So I'm gonna get some more of these Allen key, like hex head, whatever you want to call them, sort of things. But yeah. And so I guess since that's setting, I'm gonna mount all the, or not right here, but on the other sides, like mount everything properly with nuts and bolts. I went to Ace Hardware and picked up some, so let's throw that on. Speaking of proper mounting hardware, I'm running the KBD bumper, and it does sag in the middle, like a little bit, because I don't have like the factory crash bar, like the factory support bar. So and it has like a little mounting flange on the if you look at your crash bar, it has like a mounting flange like right up top, like all the way across, and that's what these bumpers are meant to mount to right here. But I don't have that, so Probably see this a lot. I also saw it a lot, but I never knew what it was meant for until I put my bumper on. I'm like, what the hell? It's like sagging right in the middle. How do I fix that? And then I just fucking put a pool noodle on. Yep, so got a few more stuff. This is done curing now, so let's get to, I'm gonna sand this out smooth. I'm gonna try to hit it with like a little bit of black, like a little bit of black paint, and then just so where this area is all black like a triangle, and then I'm going to do like clear base coat, and I'm gonna throw of the flake that I have in there and see if I can get that just to turn like completely green without having to respray the whole thing. So here's the finished product after I did all that, the whole entire repair. You can kind of see it right here. Hopefully it doesn't shine out too much from the rest of the fender, but right now it is because of all the, you know, the shit from all the tape and everything. So hopefully whenever I get that out, I can sand it out with some like 1000 grit or so, and then just buff it out, and you can't really, hopefully you won't be able to really tell. But it's getting late tonight, so I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.